One of our clients in Spring Lake, New Jersey was having an issue with ants in her kitchen. Once we arrived, we inspected the kitchen and found ants crawling on the counter. In order to eliminate the ants that are on the interior, a thorough inspection of the exterior is needed. Sometimes, digging less than an inch below the surface against the foundation will uncover mass amounts of ants. They use mulch or rocks as a shelter for their exploration and nest building. So we pulled the rocks back a bit and saw the ants moving about. A close inspection revealed that these were pavement ants. Pavement ants are about 1/8 of an inch in size, mostly brown or black in color, and are known to nest in or under cracks of pavement. We applied a liquid non-repellent that will wipe out the foraging ants as well as the ants in the colony. We also applied an ant gel bait in the crack and crevice areas in the kitchen. The ants will act as carriers and begin spreading either of these applications amongst the entire colony via feeding or grooming one another. In a short amount of time, the entire colony is eliminated.